Hi, my friends. We're going to draw some monsters, some emotion monsters. We're going to draw eyes and a mouth, and it's going to show emotion. Is your paper ready? First thing I want to do is I want to draw a rainbow. So I have my eyes, this is the pupil. I'm going to draw a little U up here on both of them. And then I'm going to color in this part black. I want to look at some mouths. I drew out some different examples of mouths, so you could do it differently than me. Let's see, I'm going to pick that one. But if you want to do any of the other ones, you are welcome to. We'll start with like a U shape. Go in U. Rainbow over on that side. Rainbow over on that side. I'm going to draw a letter U. I'm going to do 2 teeth. 1 V. 2 V's. It's going to be a happy one. I'm going to draw his tongue. So I'm going to draw a rainbow here with a little line. Then I want to color in here. This is the dark inside their mouth. I'm going to leave the inside of the eyes white and also the teeth white. It'll look extra good when you add the color to it. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to color the actual monster. These are paint sticks. They look like lipstick or glue stick, but they're actually paint sticks. They're one of my favorite art supplies.